the world will clearly not be the same after the coronavirus pandemic. It has affected each and every aspect of our lives. Without a further ado, travel industry was hardly damaged. All vacation plans, business opportunities, family reunions ruined. But after a few months of a strict lockdown, the airports are reopening their doors, and it's crucial to know and follow new aviation safety measures. Number 1. Face mask. The International Air Transport Association, IATA, said that wearing face masks is one of the most powerful ways to prevent the spread of any virus on board the aircraft. These airlines below have already been asking passengers to wear masks during the flight. Note, some of the airlines, like United, will offer masks free of charge, but the majority of airlines require passengers to bring their own mask, or even several masks for flights longer than 4 hours. Number 2. Social distancing. We're not forgetting about social distancing. Below is the list of airlines that block the middle seat to ensure a proper distance between travelers throughout the flight. If you are traveling with someone, you can always ask the airline in advance to be seated together. Number 3. Individual hygiene kits. A brand new post-COVID service, free personal hygiene kits from Emirates. These kits contain several masks, as well as gloves, antibacterial wipes, and hand sanitizer. Passengers will be handed the kits upon the check-in. Delta Airlines have started handing out complimentary hygiene care kits that contain a disposable surgical face mask and 2 mini packs of hand sanitizer, the airline amenity kit for the COVID-19 era. Turkish Airlines has started to serve hygiene kits during its flights too. The kit includes a mask, disinfectant, and antiseptic tissue depending on the length of travel. Number 4. Temperature screening. Some airports, such as London Heathrow, Puerto Rico's San Juan Airport, and Payne Field, a secondary airport in Seattle, are using thermal cameras to scan crowds for feverish temperatures. Some airlines are already implementing temperature checks for travelers. For example, Air France has set the limit of 100.4 degrees, after which passengers will be denied boarding. Singapore Airlines customers will only be allowed on board if their temperature is below 99.5 degrees. Passengers will also undergo an additional health assessment, with questions about any potential illness symptoms such as fever or cough. Number 5. Cleaning and disinfection. Many airlines have increased the frequency and extent of their cleaning routine. United have introduced a Clean Plus program that aims to deliver the industry-leading cleanliness. Measures include disinfecting high-touch areas like armrests, door handles, lavatories, seat back screens, and seat belts. Emirates Airlines are also on the forefront. The cleaning process for Emirates aircraft includes a comprehensive wipe-down of all surfaces, from windows to the crew rest areas. On any aircraft that were found to have transported a suspected or confirmed COVID-19 case, Emirates implemented deep cleaning and disinfection. Both airlines equipped all aircraft with HEPA cabin air filters. Number 6. COVID-19 testing. Mandatory COVID-19 testing for all air travelers is one of the most debated air travel measures in the industry. Back in April, Emirates became one of the first airlines to start testing passengers for coronavirus before boarding flights in Dubai. However, the airline stopped the blood tests on May 19th due to concerns over accuracy. Now, Lufthansa is about to introduce such tests. According to the announcement, coronavirus tests will be available at Frankfurt and Munich airports. The airline didn't specify whether these tests would be mandatory or optional for a fee. Currently, our world is reopening. Airlines are relaunching their flights on the basis of detailed safety measures. Therefore, we need to do our part, respect and follow airlines' policies. They bring back safe air travel for us. We stay healthy on board for them. Call ASAP Tickets travel agents today to find your next safe flight.